A year and a half ago, anybody could pick stocks. I mean, a 22-year-old who had just had a little bit of research information could tell you what to buy in the future. But today it's gotten more difficult because the market's turned against us. We have inflation to deal with. We have interest rates to deal with. So you've got to change your strategy. Sure, there's some artificial intelligence and machine learning that is going to change the world we live in. But today, if you want to make money in the stock market, you need to develop a strategy. You need to become a swing trader. And today I want to talk to you about a program we've put together at Best of Us Investors to help people like you make money in this difficult market. It is through swing trading. I want to tell you about Moderna and Netflix and how we made money last week. And I can teach you how to do it and make you an investor.